This is your opportunity to tap into this multi-billion-dollar gold mine and discover how to create, publish and market Amazon KDP books using the power of AI. Listen up, in just moments from now, you'll have your first book created, published and ready to generate income like never before. Thanks to this comprehensive guide, the process has been simplified so that anyone, even if you're a complete beginner, can follow along and achieve incredible results. With our done-for-you guide, you'll learn exactly how to use powerful tools to create and publish your ebook effortlessly. By the time you're done, you'll have a professional quality book live on Amazon KDP, poised to start earning royalties right away. But that's not all. Our guide comes with full private label rights, PLR, giving you complete ownership and flexibility. This means you can sell the guide exactly as it is, market it as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. Whether you want to brand it under your name, add your own touches or use it as an additional income stream, the possibilities are endless. With this level of control, you're not just learning how to make money on KDP, you're getting a ready-made business opportunity handed to you. Imagine creating, publishing and earning from your own ebooks on Amazon KDP, all without the traditional headaches of writing and publishing. With Amazon KDP Riches, you'll discover how to unlock the power of artificial intelligence to streamline the entire process, from brainstorming your book's concept to seeing it live on Amazon Marketplace. The self-publishing industry is booming, and Amazon KDP is leading the way as the ultimate platform for authors and entrepreneurs. In 2023, the global self-publishing market surpassed $1 billion, with thousands of people just like you earning life-changing incomes by selling ebooks on Amazon. With up to 70% royalties, millions of readers worldwide, and endless opportunities to stand out, Amazon KDP is your gateway to financial freedom. And with Amazon KDP Riches, you'll discover the step-by-step process that we use to create top-selling books using AI. Don't wait, there's never been a better time to turn your ideas into profit. Here's what you get today: a step-by-step guide with screenshots on how to create, publish and market Amazon KDP books. Publish your first ebook on Amazon KDP and start making money in just a few seconds. 6 powerful modules covering everything you need to know to publish your first Amazon book, with screenshots included for easy start to finish guidance. Full PLR rights included, allowing you to sell this Amazon guide as your own and keep 100% of the profits. PDF and doc versions providing for quick editing and customization if you choose to sell the guide as your own. Start earning on Amazon KDP as soon as today, and a 30-day money-back guarantee for a risk-free purchase. Why choose Amazon KDP Riches? Effortless book creation. Learn how to generate marketable book ideas, develop captivating content and design professional covers, all with the help of cutting-edge AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva. Step-by-step simplicity. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to scale your publishing business, our comprehensive modules guide you every step of the way. From choosing profitable niches to formatting and publishing, it's all laid out for you. Unlimited earning potential. Enjoy up to 70% royalties on Amazon KDP. Plus, with full private label rights, you can sell this guide as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. Save time and money. AI accelerates every aspect of the publishing process, from drafting to editing, giving you more time to focus on what matters, building your portfolio and profits. And global reach. Publish once and your book becomes instantly available to millions of readers worldwide in both digital and print formats. Now, what's inside Amazon KDP Riches? Well, Module 1 is unlocking the power of AI for book creation. Discover how to use AI to generate book ideas, outline chapters and craft compelling content. Module 2 is manuscript development made easy. Learn how to structure, write and refine your book effortlessly with AI assistance. Module 3, designing a book that sells. Create professional quality book covers and interiors that captivate readers. Module 4, publishing your book on Amazon KDP. Step-by-step guidance to prepare, upload and launch your ebook or paperbook on Amazon. Module 5, marketing your book for maximum sales. Discover proven strategies to promote your book, generate reviews and drive consistent sales. And Module 6, Scaling Beyond KDP. Explore alternative platforms, direct sales and strategies to diversify your income streams. And of course the big bonus, full private label rights, PLR. With full private label rights, this guide isn't just a resource, it's a complete business opportunity in your hands. Here's what that means for you. Sell it as your own. Take ownership of this guide and resell it under your name. Every single dollar you earn from sales is yours to keep. Customize it to suit your brand. Edit the content and add your personal touch or rebrand it entirely to match your style or niche. Whether it's changing the cover design, adding new chapters or tailoring the tone, you have complete creative freedom. Effortless product creation. Skip the time-consuming and costly process of creating a guide from scratch. With this ready-made resource, you can launch your own product line immediately. Multiple income streams. Use the guide as foundation for upsells, bundles, or even bonuses and other offers. Combine it with other products or services to maximize your earnings. Build your brand authority. Position yourself as an expert by offering a high-quality guide that provides immense value to your audience. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on this amazing guide that will have you generating a passive income in no time, and right now pay the lowest price ever, and this includes full private label rights. Click the buy button now and let's make some money.